This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Sarah Murray and less than bedroom greater than Lorna Murray. Open house Sunday 2 to 4 p.m. Charming main floor condo west/garage, covered patio, and exterior storage. Open concept living west/high ceilings, electric fireplace, and newly installed durable engineered wood flooring throughout. Gourmet kitchen features stainless steel appliances, eating bar, tile/granite counters, and large kitchen cabinets. Large bedroom. Laundry in unit west/new washer and dryer. Centrally located near Nike, Intel, streets of Tanasbourne, Max, and more. POA includes water, sewer, and garbage. For more information, review the details below or contact Sarah Murray and Les.